Hi, welcome back. Hello, professionals and students. It's a simple topic, but it is important. You have to remember this thing because I have seen a lot of beginners or freshers, inexperienced professionals doing this mistake. Okay. How to delete a sales order? Why? We must not recommend to delete order in the production system in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. That means the answer itself, it is there in the question. Why we must not delete the sales order in the production system. Okay, so let's go to VA02. We can able to delete a sales order. Okay, so for that, before going ahead, let me try to help me out. So this is my channel. I'm currently holding 647 content, knowledge transfer for SAP SD and other important tips. And if you want, you can able to go through it. In this, I would like to tell, when you delete a sales order, which tables is it going to store? Okay, you can able to comment it. This I have already explained. There is nothing new to explain about that one. Okay, so all these are the different set of courses. Currently, I'm holding 5,000 plus students, including my free students plus unpaid students some extent, and you can see this is the course plus 100 hours. And if you really wanted to get the real-time experience, you can try idocs training and getting master to write functional specification and pricing in-depth training. These three courses 100% it will be helpful in your real-time journey to answer a lot of different questions in interview board. Okay, that's it. I am holding S4 HANA courses also. Okay, let me try to open SAP. So let's create a one sales order. Let's try to check incomplete log. We can save this. Okay, let's open in VA02. So you will get certain tickets from different customers, either with subsequent document or without subsequent document in real time. Never ever try to delete a sales order until unless you will have a prior approval from your customer. Okay, initially you might delete, like, the end user, the order processor, they can give the mail confirmation, but still it is not sufficient. Sometimes at the time of auditing time, it will become like a huge issue. If you have special approvals, then you can able to delete it. Otherwise, it is not recommended to delete the sales order. And first thing, you don't try to access user created orders with your ID in change mode. It's a big blunder. You can ask him to share the screen. Either you can take the control. It will be there. It will be there on a user head, but you don't. If you have access also, don't try to do all these experiments. It will cause literally sometimes you lose your job or else, project release or something like that. It depends. Okay. Certain times, so not every time. Here, if you come here, you have all these options, right? Let's click the order, delete it. So with this, when you try to open, it has to be archived in the database. So where you can able to see this order. Okay, for example, you copy this order. Okay, you can able to see one table called CDHDR. Okay, this is the table, header table. In the similar way, you have some table called CDPOS. This is, I have already explained. If you want, you can able to access that one. Okay. So suppose, so currently, see, you can able to find the document number, and object value means your sales order number. Okay, so item level also you can able to find it out, and the respective transaction I need not explain. But what you have to do on, instead of suppose if one billing got cancelled and you reverse the goods issue, and you created the delivery document also, and what is the recommended steps to stop the sales order not to show in open status? So such a case as you have to use reason for rejection. This video I have already done. So you can able to do this, okay, with a prior approval. Okay, that's it. If you really like this video, you can like it. It's always advisable. Please share the knowledge. Jai Bharat. Have a great day. But don't try to access your sales order for deletion directly. And instead of that, you can put it reason for rejection so that status will be completed. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Jai Bharat.